What's up, y'all? You already know who it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. Today we have a 2013 Honda Civic sedan, and I'm going to show you how to take this radio out. So yeah, man, the first thing you want to do is open up this little pocket right here that's at the bottom, and we have two Phillips head screws. So I'm going to go ahead and take these two screws out. Alright, y'all, now that I did that, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to put this in the lowest position. Move the shifter knob back. So stick my hand right up here and see if we can't pull this thing out. There we go. Alright, remove that pocket. It's gonna give us one right here and another Phillips. So let's go ahead and take those out. Alright, y'all, so now that we've taken those two Phillips out, you want to come up under here, and you see that screw? One right here and one right here. Those two 8mm, they have to come out. So I'm going to use my angle driver. I'm going to get those two 8mm out. Now you can use a Phillip if you want, but doing something like this to where you can barely see it, it's just easier to use that 8mm socket. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these two out, and then everything else should be held in by clips. All right, so now that I got those two 8mm out, I should be able to pop that real quick. Up here, let it come out. Like I said, held in by clips, baby. Oh, come on. There we go. Let me take all these harnesses out. Alright, y'all, so that's about it, man. We got that factory radio out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wire this up, and so you can see what it looks like. Alright, y'all, well, that's about it. Now I know what you're thinking. This guy didn't show me how to install this thing at all. Well, the basis of this video is to show you how to remove your factory radio so you can install this thing yourself. Now, if you want to know how to wire up a radio, click that card in the corner right up here, and it'll show you how to wire up a radio. With every radio removal that I do, if I take the time to actually show you how to wire up a radio, I'm gonna show the exact same thing in every video, and that can be kind of repetitive. So I just made one video explaining how to wire it up. That way you guys can refer to that, and I can make these things short and sweet. But other than that, that is what it looked like. I will have all the links to all the products that I've used in the description. So please like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Until the next time, it's JP signing out. I'll catch y'all at the next car.